What is up, guys? Today is Friday, so I really hadn't been on, well, I haven't been on here in about a week, or all this week. I've been playing Mr. Mom. My wife's out of town, so I've been having to work and keep up with the kids and take them here and there, and so my schedule's just been off. So I did get caught up on a couple of projects. The barn door, I finished it. If you guys haven't seen that video, it's over on my main channel. And by the way, let me just stop. I want to tell you guys, this one is, I didn't even think about this until just now, but you guys that share and comment and like my videos, I want to give you a big thumbs up. I want to say thank you for that, because that really helps the video and helps me as the content creator. The engagement on the video, they promote that. So all the comments and everything and the thumbs up and the shares is really, really helpful. So I really appreciate it, especially you guys that are here every single week on my main channel, commenting and sharing those videos. So thank you. But yeah, the barn door video went over really well. I was happy with the way it turned out. A lot of people liked the dowels that I put in there. So I had a couple of questions about it, or not me. There were some people that had a couple of questions. One person asked about, or several asked about, the seasonal movement in the wood, and I'm just not really concerned with it. I mean, that wood is so dry. I'm not even sure if it can move, but I don't know. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm not really worried about it. If it was a piece of fine furniture or something, it would have been made a little bit different. But I'm just not concerned. If it cracks or something, I'll fix it. If not, good. I'm not really worried about it. So the other thing that some folks had questions about was the guide under the door, and how did I mount that? My floors are tile, and so the guide that comes with it is meant to like screw down to the floor, and it keeps the door from swinging out away from the wall. You know, if it's sliding this way, it keeps it on track. You know, it's not like angled or, you know, won't move out and possibly come off the track. So what I did, it's sliding in front of a doorway. And so I mounted a block of wood on the inside of that doorway, and a thin piece of wood that came up under the barn door, and then I mounted the guide on top of that wood. So that was really the only way that I could have done something. I didn't want to take a chance and drilling in the tile and possibly cracking it and all that. So what I did works great, and I put, you can buy Velcro. One side has got the little real hard prickly things, and the other side of the Velcro is real soft. I took some of that real soft stuff and put up against or stuck on that guide, so that is the part that's rubbing against the door, and so it didn't leave any scratches or anything. So that I didn't touch on that in the video, but that's how I did it. It works out great so far. So yeah, that's done. That solved an issue for us, or a problem for us, so that was good. This week I finished, actually today I finished the mantle that I was doing. I cut that big hickory slab that I had long ways all the way down, cut it in half. This is what I've got left over from it. That's the top of it all the way down. There's a small piece there in front, but there's about, I don't know, that much of it there. So that was a chore. That hickory is hard. Somebody asked, like, does that stuff really, is it really hard to work with? Yes. You got to take it slow or you'll start smoking your blade. But I got it cut in half, got it sanded down, got the half that I wanted. I contacted John Malecki about, like, you know, I knew he was into this kind of thing. So I said, how do you mount your mantles on brick? He said, just drill some holes in the brick, insert some sleeves, get some long bolts, drive them in there, cut the heads off the bolts, drill some holes in the slab and slide it on. Easy peasy. Well, it was, but there were a few little issues that I ran into that I'll cover in the video. Video will be next Tuesday. I usually edit on Monday, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so it was easy, but there were a few things that if I had experience doing it that way, then I would have known, hey, I need to be careful with this, that, whatever. So I'll cover that in the video. Be sure to let you guys know to look out for those things. But huge props to John for helping me out with that. Thank you, John, if you watch these. So really excited about it. So I ended up, the brick that's on the fireplace, I whitewashed it. That's something my wife and I had agreed on. I'm not really going to cover the how-to on how to whitewash that. There's tons of that out there, but I will show like a time lapse or something, not a time lapse, but like a sped up part of the video of me painting that, and then mounting the mantle. So it turned out really good. I'm happy with the way it looks. So I'm excited about using a lot more slab, type stuff in the house, and I love working with slabs. Kind of like the bench that I did with that Osage Orange live edge bench. That was cool. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. And again, I'm sorry for not being on here this week. I really want to get back into my schedule starting Monday and just updating you guys every day, even if it's just to say, hi guys, what's up? So yeah, that's what I've got so far. There was something else I wanted to tell you. Oh, the Twitch stream. I'm going to be starting that back soon. A lot of you guys have gone over to Twitch and started following me there. I appreciate it. So be patient. I'll be back with the podcast shortly, and then I'll be streaming on Twitch while I'm recording live on the podcast. So that'll be cool. So to give you guys another way to interact and that kind of thing. So yeah, looking forward to that. If you don't follow me on Twitch, follow me on Twitch. Go to twitch.com and search for Stone and Sons Workshop. Yeah. I think that is it. All right, guys. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you next week.